Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another get ready with me because you guys have been asking me, Icylinn, what you get ready means? Icylinn, what you get ready means? Like, when I was posting a lot of them, everybody was having a problem with it, so I was just really confused. But anyways, I'm back and I'm better. By the way, I'm super upset because your girl supposed to be getting her nails done tomorrow, but I have a wait, sorry, this is really bothering me. Anyways, I'm supposed to get my nails done tomorrow, but I have a dermatologist appointment, so it's just like, I know you guys see this. I want to just take them off so bad. I'm really about to do that when I'm in school, but I'm gonna put my jewelry real quick because this is easier for me because I always forget to. I just put on my earrings yesterday because I let my ears breathe. Oh, your girl came back from Washington DC recently, like 2 days ago, and it was really fun. I really enjoyed it. You guys can watch my vlog. It'll be posted up. I want to wear me. Oh no, this is too much going on. You can have some new makeup products, so I'm super excited. I'm really like annoyed because my AirPod, these are not working. Like one of them, like this ear is not working. BOXYCHARM sent me some goodies, so I'm super excited about this. So I got the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. This is $32 and I love this palette. So here's the packaging, super cute, all the colors in the back, bomb, and it's rose gold, like my flat iron I'm using today. This is perfect. And my watch, like this, it was just meant to be. You get 5 shades, super cute. It's super like easy to travel with. It's like a travel size palette. I love it. It has so many neutral colors, and I use these colors like on a daily when I'm doing eyeshadow looks. Also have, what is this? I have a Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Cold Eyeliner. Then I also have this Hank and Henry what? This Hank and Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. I love mascara duos. So yeah, I might use that today because, you know. And the last thing I'm super excited about, I got the Iconic London Prep Set Glow. This is $30. So like, this is first of all, I need my nails done in general. Like, what the hell is, like, this right here, okay, is normal. Like, one is missing, okay, but how you got more missing than what you have? That's when you have to take them off. But you guys, y'all gonna be coming along with me. I'm gonna just go, because at first I didn't know what the hell to get him, but now I do. Like, because you know, like when you're in your head, you have the gift, you're like, yeah, I have your gift, and then you don't have it physically. Yeah, that's me. That's the person I am. And I always, the gift I'm gonna get him, I like to give people stuff in their hair because I want the same thing. I don't want you saying, oh, it's gonna come in a week, and then I gotta wait a whole week to actually get my gift on the day I want to have your stuff. So it's like work never stops, bro. If you want to go to early college, just know you're gonna be doing work all the time. Like, if you're doing extra curriculum activities, you better not do it if you can't handle that, because that's how it really is. I want loose curls. That's what I'm about to do. I'm not gonna go out like this. This hair gotta go. Oh yeah, I gotta rant to y'all because I have DirecTV, right? And I hate it. If you have DirecTV, you know the struggle. Every time it rains, I want to mess up. That's that third, right? Okay, cool. Tell me why. Oh yeah, I don't know what the heck she did, but we don't have Nickelodeon no more, or Nicktoons, and I mean Nick Jr. no more, or Nicktoons. And I know y'all probably like, Icylinn, shut up, you're a big kid, like why do you even care about that? I watch SpongeBob, so mind your business. So yeah, this is basically what I wanted, like a loose, like body wave type ish. That's what it's given. Put on some lashes, and we're gonna be out. I don't have time for the boo, so I'm gonna just open my new ones. Time to open my new one. All right, guys, so they're connected. Don't mind the clothes right there. I'll put this away when I get home. But here's the fit, guys. And I'm wearing these shoes, you know, and stuff like this. So yeah, I don't know if it's hot outside or not, but I might just put this on. But see you guys when I get to school. I don't know if I'm a vlog or not, but I know I'm gonna be vlogging me buying his stuff and all that. So alright guys, so I'm walking to school, right? And I told McKay that I transferred because I told you I didn't come to school for 2 days. So she really believes me. Because she asked me where I'm at. I'm like, oh yeah, I started new school today. I'm lying. I'm literally walking to the building right now. I don't know where she is. Hopefully she's not behind me. I saw one of my teachers, and he told me that Michaela, my friend, the one that I said like, oh, you know, I'm transferring, whatever, that she looks sad, like she got hit by a truck or something. He was like, should I just let her be depressed or whatever? I was like, yeah. So she's in the freaking dean's office because she said that I left. I feel so bad, but she doesn't have much time because we have outline to, at least I do. How did you feel? I'm going to fight you! I was just playing. She thought I was serious. So we out of school, me and Michaela, and we're about to go to Vinny's to buy a sweater. And then I'll go back this way to get his shoes. Oh, I want to get the... Because I ain't walking around all day. What's that thing? Alright guys, so I'm back home. I literally just got in the house, and literally when I was coming to my house, my mom left, and I was crazy. Like, she was like, oh hi, like, hello. But like the way she said it was just like, oh hi, like I did something wrong, like, okay. Yeah, anyways, so today I got his gifts or whatever. It went just as planned, thank the Lord, because I didn't have time for anything else going on. As you guys can see, I got my nails done. Y'all knew I was not playing. I do not have the time. These were $53. I don't understand why. Alright guys, so here's the thing. Don't mind the clothes in the back. Like I told you guys earlier, I gotta put them away and I just got home, so obviously I didn't get a chance to do that yet. But yeah, I went to Vinny's first because the stores I went to was right next to each other, so it's like perfect. I was like, oh yeah, I could probably see they have it, and they did. So anyways, yeah. So I got 2 sweaters. One is for me. Last year I got him like 2, so now he has another sweater, but this one is like orange, and I already know he's gonna wear this a lot because he loves colors. So I already know it's gonna be his go-to sweater. Like, he loves colors, so he's gonna be really happy when he gets the shirt. He's like, oh yes. And then I asked him that they have, like, you know, women's, but they didn't. So he was like, but I have big kids. And I was just like, like, trying to blame me. But anyways, I just got the red sweater in the kid's size, the large, because that's the size I wear. Hopefully it fits, because I didn't feel like trying it on. I might gonna hold y'all. You know, like, you know. It's just red because I got some red 9s. And I want to wear it together. So... bam, now we could wear this tomorrow because yeah, so yeah, I just got him a 3s that came out like probably 2 weeks ago or a week ago. I'm not too sure. I don't know. I just thought that we both supposed to get them, and he liked them and I did too, but he didn't buy them because I didn't get them. So yeah, I got him these. They have like a lighter orange too, but McKay said this one matches better, which it actually does. As y'all can see, I know how to dress, so it matches perfectly. Got the blue, we got, they have like, it's like a light, oh no it's not, but the blue and the blue, it matches. And he has the white, that color, obviously. That was the whole point of me getting this color in the first place. And if you guys want to see me give it to him, like us exchanging gifts, you'll have to watch our watch our video we posted for our anniversary. So go subscribe to our YouTube channel, Icylinn and Kevin TV. I just got me some Kiss socks because I just wanted a pair, and yeah, it's for $14 for no reason. Your girl finally got her package that she's been dying to get. My mom kept saying pick it up, and she never pick it up, so I finally got it. So this is basically everything I got. Oh yeah, okay, so I got me my mom's wig glue. It's from Cling, the water resistant adhesive. That's what she really was feeding for. So you guys saw earlier that I put my new AirPods in because my other ones is not working. And now I got a new case. It's so cute and bedazzly. This was like $17, but it was worth it because it's mad cute. Alright, I got me some slides. These are some Adidas slides. Like, they're called the Ice Yellow Adidas sign. And yes, these are Adidas, like real. Obviously, I don't buy fake stuff. They sell real, like, you know, Uggs, all that on Amazon. So, oh, they fit me. Also, got me a waist trainer. Y'all probably like Icylinn. You're bad, Tina. What you need a waist trainer for? Well, I want to start working out. I'm just playing. Like, I know that's not gonna happen, but I feel like I'm getting a stomach. I feel like I'm getting a stomach. I probably like Icylinn, but you're not. But this is my stomach, and I didn't eat. Like, I ate like a long time ago. Like, all I had was ice cream. Maybe it's a dairy. I don't know, but this is my stomach. You know, and my stomach is always like this, so we gotta get it back to this. I was gonna get me a pink one, but the prices went up for the color, and I was like, I don't even care about the color. So yeah, I never had a waist trainer, so I'm just like, ooh. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be tighter than this, but I don't know. I don't know how people can do this. Ooh. See, guys, I got me this because your girl is trying to remain her size, but like, one of the reasons why I got this waist trainer is not because like I think I'm getting fat, even though I kind of think I'm getting fat in my stomach. I want, when I eat, like when I'm eating, I eat a lot, so I feel like if I eat but I keep my waist trainer on, it's gonna just go to my, like, you know, hips, but my this will stay flat because that's what I want. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of me. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye, pretties. Mwah.